I just liked this photo Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this add yours sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search bar and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to the highlights and you will find one which is called Gen Dump. Click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. Then you'll have to go to your photos, to your gallery, to add one photo. Click here and it will get you to your gallery. I will go with this photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to comment in the comment section down below and subscribe to our channel. And also if you have any questions, I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.